let's look at the accountability dashboard and how it creates high performance people and high productivity with a shared responsibility that are more motivated and inspired to achieve more. Well, it's based around the inner game plan as a key tool, which is a document shared between the coach and the team member, and it contains the strategies and actions and intentions or goals, depending which of those terms we're using in the framework, and it takes people from where they are now to where they want to be. And so it's driven by the individual team member to be more successful. And that document is shared in the cloud just between the coach and the team member. So it's a private record. And let's have a look at how that works. So if we go to an example here, this is a inner game plan. So it's a whole of tabs at the bottom here, from the challenges, their homework that they're working on from the coach, their one-page plan, which has their strategies and actions, and the dream map, and all sorts of good things here. Their inner game foundation, which is what's the core that has balance, that leads to high productivity, their sales activity, and their outer game plan. So all of this is contained and shared in the cloud just between the coach and the team member privately. Then the only page that's public is the outer game plan. When I say public, it's shared in the private company intranet. So all this information from the outer game plan is then shared within the team. So it's the key things they're working on that are not super private. So that gets automatically drawn into the accountability dashboard. So here it is, lots of good things down here, all the different outer game plans. But here, this is coaching development, feedback, and it's different checklists that apply to, well, in this case, to different countries that it was used in this particular example. And so that's for developing of the person. So the yellow ones down the bottom here are also leadership only documents. So the feedback there is, if there's a bit of a trend happening, then there's a form that anybody within the company or leadership team can put feedback in the form that goes into this spreadsheet here, and then it's for coaching and development purposes. All this stuff happens. So that's the shared with the leadership team, these yellow ones. But here is the shared within the entire company. So we have their game plan, which is their personal goals, essentially, and strategies. And then the team game plan is a one-page strategy document for the company. It's the focus of the organization. And then the dashboard is the key thing. So here is an example where it's for a sales-focused organization, where all the key things are tracked here, and that's publicly shared, so everyone has more accountability, and it's driven by their own goals. And because the coach is really not telling them what they need to do, it's shared responsibility, which is how you get a high performance team, people working together, sharing, collaborating, and being on the same page.